Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Leah. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a low sleek braided ponytail. So right now, I'm just parting my hair in the middle. I'm going to be using Eco Styler gel to have my hair slicked down. Then I'm just brushing it so I could get that sleek look. So I'm just going to be putting my hair into a low ponytail where I want my braid to be, but I'm not going to do it real tight. I'm going to be using Got2b glue spray to make sure everything is like put in place and no flyaways. I'm just making sure everything is in place and no hair is sticking out. And now I'm going to be putting my hair in the ponytail and doing it real tight to make sure the ponytail stays in place. So the hair that I'm going to be used for this style is Easy Braid, and it's already pre-stretched. So I'm just going to take my hair tie and put it under the hair, and then I'm going to pull it up. Then I'm going to take one of the sides and put it into the loop. If I explain it right, I don't know if I'm explaining it right, but in the video I'm going to demonstrate it. So you're going to put it in the loop just like that. Then you're going to take the hair tie and tie it with your ponytail. So I'm just leaving out a piece of hair before I start braiding so I could wrap it around my braid. So now I split the hair into 3 parts with my hair, and now I'm just braiding down. So at the end of my braids, I like to have a little curl, so I'm just wrapping around the curling rod. Now I'm going to take the little piece of hair and wrap it around the beginning of the braid. I'm also going to be using Got to Be Glue to secure it. So right here, I just boiled some hot water and put it in the braid inside so it could seal. While using the hot water method, you do want to be careful. And this is the final look of the braided ponytail. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. And I'll see you next time.